Hey guys, welcome back to Achika's Cocoa channel. So I'm back with my another video. Today I will make double layered cake. First layer would be of chocolate and Kellogg's, and the another layer would be of pineapple as usual. It is sugar free cake. Try at your home. And please subscribe and like my channel before this video is starting. Let us start our video. As you can see, the white picture is coming of Kellogg's, the which one I'm using, and the other one, they have given you an option, both of you can use. The measurement of Kellogg's should be of 2 cups. I've taken the 2 cups or 2 bowl of the measurement is. So now I will grind these Kellogg's into the mixer grinder jar. Now I will take a jar and grind them. With the help of spoon, I will pour it inside it. See, I have poured it. Now you all need to close the jar and grind it in mixie. So my paste has been ready. It is pressed up very nicely. Now I will take it out into the bowl and put it with the help of spoon. And the rest part I will take it out with the help of spoon. As you can see it. And I will mix the paste very nicely after it. See, I'm taking out. After that, I am mixing it well into the bowl. And after this, I will mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. The measurement, the spoon which I'm using, that only is the measurement. 1 tablespoon. And this is 2. As we are using Kellogg's, the Kellogg's powder takes more milk. It required more milk because as we soak Kellogg's into the milk, it requires more milk. Here also it will be requiring more milk. And now we will mix the powder with the help of strainer. And after that, we will put the half pouch of Eno powder or half tablespoon of Eno powder. See, I am mixing it well and now putting the Eno powder into it. I have put the Eno powder and I am mixing it. After mixing, I will put milk and mix it well. I will put milk, mix it well. The same thing I will do. As you can see, I'm mixing milk and mixing it. Now I'm taking out the things from the spoon which are stuck into the strainer, and now I will use automatic machine to mix it well. There also I will mix milk and mix it well because the Kellogg's required more milk. So as you can see, my paste has been ready very nicely. So I will keep the paste bowl side, and this is my bowl in which I will put the 2 tablespoons of oil and put it every direction of it. As you can see it, I'm putting it very well. See, I'm putting the first mixture of chocolate Oreo cake into the bowl, and now I will bake it for 7 to 10 minutes into the microwave. See, I will keep it before keeping into microwave. Let the cake settle down. For cake settling down, we will do tap tap, like in a way, tap 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 tap. Okay, then we'll keep it for 7 minutes as I told. So now I will prepare the mixture of second batter. This is vanilla batter. I've already prepared it. Now I've taken a bowl. The same thing I will done it. I will take 2 tablespoons of oil into the bowl and put all the direction of into the bowl of it, and the batter I will use for 2 layers. So this put oil I have done. Now these are cherries. This is red and green cherry. I will put it into the bowl or a plate, you can say. I have taken out into the plate, and I will mix it with the help of my both the hands. I will mix it. Before doing these all things, we should wash our hands. So these paste is ready. So first layer paste I am putting. Let the paste settle down, and for settling down we will do tap tap, and we will put the first layered cherries upon it. In the same way we will prepare our second layer also, as you can see it properly. So this is my second layer. It is done. Now I will put the cherry upon it. I will not put the whole cherry. I will put some only. How much it requires, that only, that quantity we will use, not so many, because we are making sugar free cake. So this, as you can see, I have put the cherries, and I will bake the cake for 4 minutes at least. Before baking, we will again do the cake as tap tap on the surface where we are making cake. So, and we'll tap tap, as you can see it very well. See, now cake, my cake has been ready. Now I will put a knife into it, and my cake, I think it's ready. No thing, a single of cake come into the knife. It's beautiful done. So now this cake has been ready, so I will keep it into the refrigerator for 1 hour. There, before that, I've kept the refrigerator. This is my chocolate paste, this is my sugar and milk paste, and now I will show after taking out the cake from the fridge. This is chocolate cake, this is pineapple cake. Now I will take a golden plate in which I will put the chocolate cake upon it. This pineapple, while cutting it, got broken up, so don't worry, see what I'm doing. So it got broken up, don't worry. It was my first time making a double layered cake at home. So this I am putting sugar and water gold upon the cake and pressing it with the help of sugar. This is my second layer. This also some broke up. I am pressing also that the cake settle down very nicely. See, I am pressing it. Now I will put a chocolate layer upon it. See, now I'm putting chocolate layer, and I will press it, and then I will put the chocolate mixture upon it. See, as you are able to see it properly, that I put chocolate mixture upon it very nicely. Now I'm putting sugar water also. It's looking, while putting sugar water, it's looking crispy. Now I will again put the chocolate mixture from all the sides. I'm putting it up, as you are able to see it clearly. See, I'm putting it very nicely. I have put it up. See, you might be thinking how these pictures are coming, but after this I lost the clip. So I'm telling you what I did. After this, I have put all around the downwards. I have put Kit Kat, and from upwards I put some biscuits upon it. Then I have wrote with white chocolates drops mom, and I have made a banner with the help of a spoon stick. I have taken two sticks back of the banner. I have cut the banner. I have actually printed the banner and cut it into the oval direction, so it should look nice and beautiful to be made and nice. It was a mom's day, mother's day, something special should be made, so I made this. As you can see, happy mother's day is written, so I made this banner at home only. Please try this recipe and like my channel, and also subscribe it. Happy mother's day to everyone. Thank you.